She knows someday he will grow into a man, but he will always be Mama's little boy. It was a cold November morning she can still recall, when she got the news from the 63rd Fire Hall. A fireman got caught in the smoke and flames. She said, your daddy was a hero, little Michael James. Now the fire that took his daddy's life that day was started by a man that the courts let get away. As young as he was,